Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookie batter. Start by measuring ingredients on a flat surface and softening butter to room temperature. Cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy, then beat in the egg and vanilla. Slowly add flour and a pinch of salt, mixing until just combined. Avoid over-mixing to keep cookies tender. Chill the dough briefly to make it easier to roll and shape later. Gentle mixing is key to tender sugar cookies, so use a medium speed and keep an eye on texture as you go. Start by creaming butter and sugar until the mixture looks light and slightly fluffy, then add eggs and vanilla. Fold in dry ingredients gradually, stopping once no streaks of flour remain. Chill the dough briefly to relax gluten, which helps maintain shape and prevents spreading while baking. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing cookie dough portions or packed treats. They seal tight and prevent spills during transport. They also make meal prep and cookie gifting much easier, and they stack neatly in the fridge. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When shaping sugar cookie dough, work quickly with chilled portions to keep edges crisp and details sharp. Roll dough evenly on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick, then cut shapes and transfer to a lined baking sheet. Space cookies to allow slight spread and bake until edges are just set and centers look slightly soft. Let cookies cool on the sheet a few minutes before transferring to a rack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.